Good morning, you are listening Shalini Singh, your news anchor from Lavara Media. Here we brings you latest updated news of 20 June from around the world. Breaking news is coming from Delhi Police. WhatsApp hijacking. Delhi Police is alerting you about this new scam. The Delhi Police Cybercrime Division is alerting WhatsApp users to be careful about a new type of scam which involves hijacking of WhatsApp accounts. The scam involves taking over someone's WhatsApp account so that it can be used to communicate with friends and family members of the victim in order to carry out financial transactions. Delhi Police in a series of tweets said that the firm simply aim to lock out users by using WhatsApp two-factor authentication. Here is everything you must know about this. Chinese attack in Galwan pre-planned, government was fast asleep, said Rahul Gandhi. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday said it is now clear that the Chinese attack in Galwan Valley in Ladakh was pre-planned and that the government was fast asleep while the martyred Jawans paid the price. Gandhi's attack comes ahead of the all-parties meeting convened by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday evening to discuss the situation along the India-China border. China says it did not detain Indian soldiers in clash. China says it never detained Indian soldiers after India media report that China had released 10 of them late Thursday. Indian officials have also detained that Indian troops were in Chinese custody. Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Zhao Lijian said Friday that China has not seized any Indian personnel when asked about the media reports. PM Narendra Modi chairs meeting to review development work in Varanasi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday chaired a review meeting through video conferencing of various development work in Varanasi. During the meeting, the Prime Minister reviewed the progress of Kashi Vishwanath Dham project and instructed the city officials that all such old temples which were unrated during the development of Kashi Vishwanath Parisar should be protected and preserved, according to a government statement. India's COVID-19 tally crosses 3,80,000 with highest single-day spike of 13,586 COVID-19 cases. India on Friday saw another record spike of 13,586 new COVID-19 cases in a single day, pushing the tally to 3,80,532, while the death toll rose to 12,573 with 336 new fatalities, according to the Union Health Ministry data. In some positive news, the number of recoveries crossed the 2 lakh mark and stands at 2,04,710, while there are 1,63,248 total COVID-19 active cases, according to the updated official figure at 8 am. Panel set up by Amit Shah moots drastic cut in cost of COVID-19 treatment at Delhi's hospital. Amit Shah wishes for speedy recovery of Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Friday wished speedy recovery of COVID-19 infected Delhi's Health Minister Satyendra Jain, who has been shifted to an ICU after his condition. Praying for the speedy recovery of Sri Satyendra Jain, Health Minister of Delhi, who is battling with COVID-19 infection, Shah tweeted. I, Shalini Singh, will come with you tomorrow with latest update news. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.